Hello, my name is Caitlin. I'm 15 years old and I have three siblings. I am from Dublin. I go to CBS Westland Row. My two best friends are Daria and Amy. We've been friends for ages now. I'm grateful for everything I have. That's it.
Меня зовут Максим, мне 14 лет, я родился в Украине, в городе Мариуполь, и играю в футбол, мне нравится проводить время с моими друзьями.
My name is Marcia, my family name is Nouri. I'm from Afghanistan. I have been here 3 years ago. My hobby is watching TikTok and Instagram. Ireland become an excuse for me to study. In my country is no education. I want to serve everyone in the future.
Мене звати Арсен, я приїхав з України. Я навчаюсь в CBS Westland Row, мені 15. Я люблю грати в волейбол і футбол. Люблю вчати програмування. У майбутньому хочу стати програмістом. В Україні живу у Львові. Маю домашню тваринку, яку звати Сімка. Це моя собачка улюблена. Це все, що я поки що можу сказати про себе.
Я Степан, я люблю программирование. Знаю Python, учу C++. Люблю музыку. Слушаю, вышел покурить, фонк. Музыку в жанрах рок, постпанк и т.д.
Hello, my name is Amy. I am 15 years old and I am from Ireland. And I like listening to music and going out with my friends and being with my family. I also love travelling and one day I would like to travel the world and move to New York.
My name is Manal. I'm originally from Algeria but born and raised in Ireland. My favourite things to do are going out with my friends, trying new things, fashion, meeting new people, the colour pink, shoes and shopping. I feel happiest when I'm back home in my home country with my family. Every year I wait patiently for summer to arrive so I could go back to my home country and visit my family.
My name is Neo and I'm a 16-year-old South African who loves doing ballet. I enjoy listening to music in my free time and I like playing video games like Sallyface and Amori. I'd hope in the future that we'd all get together and be happy. I hope all young kids of color like myself are accepted equally into the world. Nobody excluded and respect all participants.
Asking who is doing the excluding.
Everyone is equal, no judgment.
Everyone is equal.
Everyone is unique and different and celebrating that.
How can we make the world a better place?
Let's talk about the struggle that's real. The present hits hard, it's a heavy deal. Some days you feel like you're stuck in a hole, trying to find the light, but it's taking a toll. It creeps in the shadows, whispers in the ear, making you doubt everything you hold dear. But no, you're not alone. There's a way to cope. Reach out for support and hold on to the hope. It's a journey we walk one step at a time. From the strength of the struggle, yeah, that's the climb. So I feel it low, just know you can rise above with love and connection. You break through the skies, that's deep and real. You capture the void, the pressure's about, but we got to survive. Those heavy days feeling lost in the dark. We're reaching out for help, can break with the spark, keep pushing through. Take it day by day, from the strength and the struggle, don't let us sway. With friends by our side, you can face the fight. Together you'll shine, when I'm running through.